An apple? What do you think about that, Red? You want an apple? Nod your head yes if you do. Oh, good. I'll get you some. Just for you, bud. We're going to the store to see if we can find anything that the goats will not eat. Let's see what we can find. We're here in the produce section. They love fruits and vegetables. We'll get into things we know that they're going to enjoy. Some Goldfish, Flamin' Hot Cheetos, salt and vinegar chips. These are for me. No high fructose corn syrup. Got those healthy animal crackers. Baby corn. Let's see if they like olives. Pickles. Time to get home and prep it all up. Time for science. Our first item today, a carrot. They love carrots. Hey, Buttercup. Let's give that a try. Ooh, someone is excited. You dropped it. I dropped it. Here you go, man. Chompy, chompy. Yummy, yummy. They like carrots. Ding! This is Minnie here. She's a very enthusiastic eater. Very enthusiastic. Huh, buddy? Huh, buddy? Girl loves to eat. That's a big piece. Can you manage that? Now let's see if they like animal crackers. That's a yes for Minnie. She's ready for number 2. Minnie, you got it. Minnie, you have to share. Gotta be fast. Blossom. Lucy. Does that look like a goat to you? Is that wrong? Oh, look who wants some. We'll get you some, bud. We'll get you. Here, have a cute little dog. Oh my gosh. Over here, Minnie. JK, right here. Oh my gosh, Judy Hopps, you gotta be faster. Oh, Judy. Animal crackers are a definite hit. What do you think, Joe? So you want an animal cracker? Of course she does. Who doesn't? Ooh, Huh. What do you think, buddy? Not quite as good as milk, is it? Oh, buddy. Our next candidate, lettuce. Anybody want any lettuce? If they can smell another goat's saliva on it, so after they've all kind of nibbled off the same piece, unless they're really ravenous like Minnie is here, a lot of times they won't eat it just because they can smell that it's been in somebody else's mouth. Now they're all skeptical of it. That was like the whole donut, dude. Do they like beets? I don't even know if I like beets. That's not a beet, that's a radish. Minnie. It's really hard to get things past Minnie because she's just so long. Josie, you want to try a radish? Not interested. Oh, there's some interest. Oh, Judy Hopps. I cut it in half. Let's see if that changes anything. Oh, Peanut took it. We'll take that as a win. Salt and vinegar chips. Oh, Peanut. Lucy, you want a chip? Seems like a yes to me. That means please feed me. Asparagus, you say, eh? Oh, s'more. You done goofed. Minnie, this one's just for you, heart. You got to get up in there, though, before somebody steals it from you. Oh, she got it. Take the money and run. Oh, what? You guys want one, too? You already got yours. Dorrit did not get hers. Oh, now you sucked on it. Now it's got your stink on it. Your big goat stink. Asparagus? A when? A pepper? I don't honestly know what kind of pepper this is. Or if it's spicy. It's not really that spicy. You want some pepper? Oh, heck yeah, she does. Oh, man. Dang. Dang, girl. And she wants more. Some more? You want some? Anybody else want some? Chloe? Take it and run, because Minnie's not playing around. Oh, Minnie, you spilled most of the pepper on the ground, you goon. That's a win for peppers, though. Let's go a little more spicy if they'll go for a hot Cheeto. What do you think about that, Minnie? Is that spicy yet? You need another one? Let it linger on your tongue. What do you think? Spicy? Or you just want more? Yeah. How about you, Chloe? You want a hot Cheeto? Oh, hot Cheetos are a win. Oh, they're healthy too. They really like salty snacks. Let's see what they think of sour. A lemon, you say? If she even spits that out on the ground, I'm gonna cry. Judy Hops, a lemon for my miss?
Oh, yum.
She just swallowed it whole.
Yum.
Would you like to do the honors?
I would. I gotta go with peanut here.
She just looks so
She's
happy.
got those squinty eyes like that's a little sour.
She looks like she's chewing without her dentures in. Oh, little Debbie, you want some too? That's my finger. Not a lemon. Lime. Nothing like a good lime. The skin on that is crazy. I tried. I don't think she can get through that. The skin's just too tight.
Just give it to her, see what she does.
Oh, Minnie. That sour, bud? Little cough? Did you get it down? Who wants half a lime? Maleficent, you want half a lime? Ooh, Chloe wants half a lime. No problem. How about some Goldfish crackers? I'm thinking anything salty and savory they're gonna love. Probably gonna taste a little better than licking a salt block. Oh, Judy Hops. Get your tongue in there, Judy. Goldfish are flying. Stretch that tongue. Stretch that tongue. Lucy, stretch it. Longer. Longer tongue. See who's got the longest tongue. Stretch it. Stretch that tongue. There you go, ladies. Those are a hit. How about some disgusting black licorice? Oh, she's into it. Licorice is a win? What do you think, Minnie? You're a control. They like black licorice. An apple? What do you think about that, Red? You want an apple? Nod your head yes if you do. Oh, good. I'll get you some. Just for you, bud. Judy, hurry. Enough playing around. Nice big apple piece for you. You goofed and you dropped it on the ground. I've been very curious about these three. We're just gonna go in order of saltiness, least salty to most salty, and see what they'll take, see what they enjoy. First item, baby corn. Have some baby corn, buddy. That's a win. No hesitation, she nabbed that baby corn. Judy Hops, I wanna get you some baby corn, buddy. You gotta move faster than that, though. Oh, nice. Agate, you want baby corn? Oh, no, you're not Agate. Oh, gosh. Up next, a pickle. I'm a big fan of pickles. How about you, Liza? Do you want a pickle? That's a win for pickles. Wow. Judy Hops, did you want a pickle? Oh no, you want a pickle. You're gonna get a tummy ache. You taste my pickle fingers. Third and final item, green olives. Pretty salty, huh? You like that? Oh, you want one, huh? Oh, you want one? Okay. What Red wants, Red gets. Kind of weird, huh? Hey, Chloe, you want to try one? I've got two more items. The next one's zucchini. The last one's the one I was most curious about. See what they think. How about zucchini? I think that's a yes. You're just gonna drop it on the ground like a doofus. There's no way she eats that whole half of a zucchini. Nope, dropped it right on the ground. They do like zucchini though. Here you go, Agate. Last item I've got is a jalapeno pepper. It's not, I already broke it open and smelled it. It's not that spicy, it doesn't smell that spicy. So they may be able to manage it. Minnie really wants some. Oh my gosh. Yes, please, huh? Lucy, this one might hurt. I'll give you a try though. She gobbled it right up and she wants more. Minnie, you're an animal. Oh no, that's not for you. People always say goats like tin cans, and they really don't. Let's stick their head in there. What are you doing? Do you want this? What about you? You want to stick your head in there? Yeah? Jam your head all the way into the back of it. Nothing very exciting in there, is there? Well, that's that. They ate everything. I think they'd probably eat most people food, but they won't eat anything that's not food. And I've been shocked at how picky they are, even with fruits and vegetables and stuff. There's some of them that don't even like basic things. They don't even care for apples or carrots. Spoiled. That's what they are. You want to see more of the goats or dogs? Click here. Thanks for joining us, Ian. What's going on here? You nibbling on my shoes? Please don't eat my shoes.